Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Oyster HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.oysterhr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Oyster HR. Now within the sign in page, you will be allowed to enter your credentials. So type in the email address that you have used while signing up to create your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Oyster HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password button to reset your credentials, and you also have the options to sign in with Google as well as single sign on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Oyster HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.